Hi guys, welcome back to another bite-sized video. I would say I hope you're hungry and ready to eat, except today we're going to be making hot sauce. So today guys, we're going to be making our jerk pineapple hot sauce, and I'm taking the initiative to give you guys a full recipe, grammage and all. So if you guys would like to see how we do this, then keep on watching. Okay, so typically when we think of pepper sauce, we think of just heat. However, in this recipe, we are bringing the heat and the flavor. So we want our pepper sauce to have a very good flavor, hence the reason we're adding all the extra aromatics and herbs and spices, because we don't just want a boring hot sauce, we want something that we would actually look forward to using in our recipes. So you guys just watched me add our ginger and onion, 72 grams of ginger and 134 grams of onion. Now we're going in with Scotch Bonnet. Guys, I chose Scotch Bonnet because not only is it spicy, but it has a little bit of citrus to it. So it's flavorful. It's not just a hot pepper, but it also has a wonderful flavor to it. So I forgot to add this bit, but I ended up putting 50 grams of flavor pepper. Next, add 4 to 5 medium to large bay leaves and crush them up. Okay guys, so now you're going to saute these for 8 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to be adding our pineapple into the mix to saute that as well, to kind of release the sugars and so on and so forth. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I was choking up a storm making this pepper sauce. I had to excuse myself so often to go sneeze or cough. I will list all the spices I used down in the description. I have those written down somewhere and I do not remember them off the top of my head, but we did use paprika, jerk seasoning, and I think a little bit of complete seasoning, as well as parsley. That is just about it. Anything else that I cannot recall off the top of my head, I will list it down below. So now we're going to blend the pepper and we're adding it to 200 ml of vinegar and 30 ml of water. We're going to pulse this. We don't want it too finely ground, so we're going to pulse it. We want just some slight chunks, not so much of a puree. Okay, so this is what it looks like after passing through the blender. It just looks like a delicious sauce that I could spread over my meat. Alright, now so we're going to be going in with sugar, and we're adding 65 grams of sugar. Again, everything will be listed down in the description, so don't worry if you missed anything. We're going to now add 4 tablespoons of salt. Now we're adding it back to the heat to just kill off any extra microbes that would cause, you know, bacteria to grow and cause your pepper to spoil over time. And to further combat that, we're also going to be adding some preservative. If I'm not mistaken, this is potassium sorbate. I will, of course, list it down in the description for you guys. And again, guys, I was coughing like crazy. Now we're going to be bottling our pepper in these plastic jars, hard plastic. However, you might want to let your pepper cool down just a little bit before bottling it, because it would cause the plastic to shrink. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. The color is so vibrant, but the taste is even better. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching once more. See you guys in another upload.